Hey everyone, planning a trip to Kisarazu, Japan? Today, I'm sharing the top 5 hotels in this beautiful Tokyo Bay Area based on real guest reviews. Coming in at number 1 is Rakuten Stayhouse Kisarazu. This 3.5-star property has an impressive 8.4 rating from nearly 800 reviews on Agoda. Located near the Tokyo Bay Aqua Line, it's close to Mitsui Outlet Park Kisarazu, just 660 meters away. Free parking is available for guests. This apartment-style stay offers a spacious 51 square meters with a full kitchen, washing machine, dryer, and free Wi-Fi. It can accommodate up to 7 guests. Rates start around $146 per night. There's no on-site breakfast, but the kitchen lets you prepare your own meals, which is great for families. Ideal for groups and families who want more space and privacy. Some guests noted it's a bit far from central Tokyo. Check the pinned comment or description for the discount booking link. At number 2, we have Grand Park Hotel Excel Kisarazu. This 3-star hotel scores 7.3 from over 2,600 reviews, making it a popular budget choice. It's just a 10-minute walk from Kisarazu Station, with convenient access to local attractions and restaurants. Free parking is included. The hotel offers 90 rooms with city views, free Wi-Fi, air conditioning, and blackout curtains. There's also an on-site restaurant. Rooms start at just $44 per night. The breakfast buffet gets rave reviews with 98% positive feedback from guests who tried it. Perfect for budget travelers who want a clean, affordable stay. Rooms are compact, so pack light. Check the pinned comment or description for the discount booking link. Number 3 is Toyoko in Sodegaura-eki Kita-guchi. This 3-star hotel has an 8.2 rating from over 1,770 reviews with excellent cleanliness scores. Located just 200 meters from Sodegaura Station, it offers easy access to Mitsui Outlet Park, only 1.9 kilometers away. Free parking available. With 246 rooms, this hotel features free Wi-Fi, air conditioning, bathtubs, and blackout curtains. Double, twin, and single rooms are available. Rates start around $64 per night with breakfast included. The complimentary breakfast buffet offers both Japanese and Western options. Great for business travelers and solo adventurers seeking reliable quality. Check the pinned comment or description for the discount booking link. At number 4 is Hotel Route in Kisarazu. This 3-star hotel also scores 8.2 from over 2,280 reviews with outstanding cleanliness ratings. Located near Kisarazu Station and Udayama Park, it's a great base for exploring the area. Free parking and taxi services are available. The hotel offers 186 rooms with air conditioning, free Wi-Fi, and bathtubs. A major highlight is the renovated public bath that guests love. Rooms start around $82 per night. Breakfast buffet is included and receives 86% positive reviews from guests. Perfect for business travelers who want comfort and a relaxing bath experience. Some parking spots fill up fast. Check the pinned comment or description for the discount booking link. And our number 5 is Kisarazu Washington Hotel. This 4-star gem has the highest rating at 8.6 from nearly 3,500 reviews with a 9.0 cleanliness score. Just 130 meters from Kisarazu Station, it offers the best location among our picks. Mitsui Outlet Park is easily accessible from here. With 146 modern rooms, amenities include free Wi-Fi, air conditioning, city views, spa services, and massage options. Rooms are spacious at 20 square meters. Rates start around $79 per night. The breakfast buffet gets 88% positive reviews, featuring local ingredients and a restaurant with waitstaff service. Best for couples and travelers who want a premium experience at mid-range prices. Truly outstanding value. Check the pinned comment or description for the discount booking link. These rankings were based on total guest reviews on Agoda. Each hotel offers something unique, whether you're on a budget or looking for a more upscale experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next one.